Starting a DIY and crafts channel can be a fulfilling endeavor if you have a passion for creating things and the skills to share. Here's a structured approach to help you get started. Channel concept and branding. 1. Channel name and logo. Choose a catchy and memorable name that reflects your channel's focus. Examples: Crafty Creations, DIY Delight, Handmade Haven. Design a simple, attractive logo that represents your brand. 2. Channel description. Write a compelling channel description. Highlight your passion for crafting, the types of projects you'll feature, and the value viewers will get from your content. Content strategy. 1. Content themes. Step-by-step DIY projects. Break down complex projects into easy-to-follow steps. Use clear visuals and instructions. Crafting techniques. Teach various crafting techniques such as knitting, crochet, painting, or woodworking. Home decor ideas. Share innovative and affordable decor ideas that viewers can replicate. Upcycling tutorials. Show how to repurpose old items into something new and useful. 2. Content calendar. Plan your content in advance. Aim for consistency in posting, such as weekly or bi-weekly videos. Mix different types of content to keep your audience engaged. 3. Video formats. Tutorials, detailed, step-by-step guides for specific projects. Tips and tricks, quick tips for crafting and DIY. Before and after, showcase transformations of spaces or items. Challenge videos, take on popular crafting challenges or create your own. Production tips. 1. Equipment. Camera. A good quality camera or smartphone with high-resolution video capability. Lighting. Invest in proper lighting to ensure clear and bright videos. Microphone. Use an external microphone for clear audio. 2. Editing software. Use user-friendly editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free options like DaVinci Resolve or iMovie. 3. Filming tips. Film in a well-lit, clutter-free area. Use multiple camera angles to capture different aspects of the project. Keep your videos concise and engaging. Engagement and growth. 1. Audience interaction. Respond to comments and questions. Ask for feedback and suggestions for future projects. 2. Social media. Promote your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Share behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks, and updates. 3. Collaborations. Collaborate with other creators in the DIY and crafts niche to reach a wider audience. 4. SEO and titles. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Create eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click. Content ideas. 1. Seasonal projects. Holiday decorations, seasonal home decor, and themed crafts. 2. Beginner tutorials. Simple projects for those new to crafting. 3. Advanced techniques. More complex projects for experienced crafters. 4. Budget-friendly crafts. DIY projects that use inexpensive materials. 5. Kids crafts. Fun and easy projects suitable for children. Examples of video titles. 1. DIY macrame plant hanger easy step-by-step tutorial. 2. Transform your home with these 5 upcycled decor ideas. 3. How to knit a scarf for beginners, simple knitting tutorial. 4. DIY rustic picture frame, budget-friendly home decor. 5. Crafting with kids, 3 fun and easy projects. Monetization. 1. Ad revenue. Enable ads on your videos once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements. 2. Sponsored content. Partner with brands for sponsored tutorials and product placements. 3. Affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links to the tools and materials you use in your video descriptions. 4. Merchandise. Sell your handmade crafts or branded merchandise. 5. Patreon. Offer exclusive content to patrons who support your channel. Conclusion. Starting a DIY and crafts channel requires planning, creativity, and consistency. Focus on delivering value to your audience through engaging and informative content. As you grow, continue to experiment with different types of projects and video formats to see what resonates best with your viewers. Happy crafting!